What if you could swap the stress of everyday American life for this? Imagine waking up to birdsong in a cozy home you own outright, spending less than $800 a month, with top-tier healthcare just around the corner, and no visa nightmares, no more endless paperwork, no lawyers, no drama. Today, we're taking you on a journey to 10 countries that are rolling out the welcome mat, offering permanent residency to Americans without the hassle of waiting lists, complex legal hoops, or overpriced immigration lawyers. And best of all, you don't need to be rich, fluent in another language, or under 30. Coming up, we'll show you real stories of retirees who've traded bills for balance and found a better life abroad. Don't forget to subscribe to Globit for more inspiring stories and tips on living your best life abroad. Our first stop takes us to South America, to a little country with a big heart, Uruguay. Tucked between its bustling neighbors, Argentina and Brazil, Uruguay is like a breath of fresh air. Imagine strolling along pristine beaches, gazing at sunsets over rolling hills, and enjoying a quality of life that's hard to beat. Uruguay is known for its political stability. It's actually ranked as one of the safest countries in the Americas. The people are warm and welcoming, the pace of life is relaxed, and the cost of living is surprisingly affordable. Think delicious steaks for a fraction of the US price and fresh produce bursting with flavor. But here's the best part. Uruguay's residency program is refreshingly straightforward. You don't need to jump through hoops or navigate a bureaucratic maze. If you can prove you have a stable income, whether it's a pension, social security, or remote work earnings, you're practically in. Meet Ron.
I'm living better here than I ever did back home. Rent is half what I paid in the US, and healthcare is amazing.
Uruguay isn't just about affordability. It's about embracing a richer, more fulfilling lifestyle. From its vibrant cities to its peaceful countryside, Uruguay offers a taste of paradise without breaking the bank.
Next, we're heading to the heart of South America, to a country that's making headlines for all the right reasons: Paraguay. Now, Paraguay might not be the first place that pops into your mind when you think of moving abroad, but trust me on this one. It's a hidden gem, just waiting to be discovered. Imagine a place where life moves at a slower pace, where traditions run deep, and where your dollars stretch further than you ever thought possible. That's Paraguay. And the best part, getting residency here is surprisingly simple. We're talking one of the easiest processes in the world. Forget about mountains of paperwork or complicated visa applications. In Paraguay, all you need to do is deposit around $5,000 into a local bank account. That's it. No need for a job offer, no need to buy property, just proof that you can support yourself financially. And speaking of supporting yourself, the cost of living in Paraguay is incredibly low. We're talking about living comfortably on $700 a month or even less. This means your hard-earned savings will go a long way. So if you're ready to trade in the hustle and bustle for a place where life truly slows down, Paraguay might just be your perfect match.
Now let's hop across the globe to a land where ancient history meets modern living, the country of Georgia. Nestled in the Caucasus Mountains, Georgia is a tapestry of stunning landscapes, from snow-capped peaks to lush vineyards. Imagine exploring ancient monasteries carved into cliffsides, wandering through charming cobblestone streets, and savoring the world-renowned Georgian wine. Did you know Georgia is one of the oldest wine regions on the planet? And for Americans, Georgia offers an incredible opportunity. You can stay visa-free for an entire year. That's right, you can pack your bags, book a flight, and experience life in Georgia without jumping through any visa hoops. And if you fall in love with this captivating country, which, let's be honest, you probably will, you can apply for temporary or even permanent residency with relative ease. Whether you're a digital nomad seeking breathtaking views and reliable Wi-Fi, or a retiree looking for a peaceful and affordable haven, Georgia offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern convenience.
Chapter 4: Mexico, your familiar, affordable neighbor. For our next destination, we're staying closer to home, but don't think for a second that means sacrificing exotic appeal. Just south of the border lies Mexico, a country bursting with vibrant culture, delicious food, and stunning natural beauty. From the beaches of Tulum to the colonial charm of San Miguel de Allende, Mexico offers something for everyone. And for Americans, it's more accessible than ever. Mexico has always been a popular destination for American retirees, but now, with its streamlined residency programs, it's attracting a whole new generation of expats. Whether you're dreaming of spending your days lounging on pristine beaches, exploring ancient Mayan ruins, or simply soaking up the lively atmosphere of a traditional Mexican town, Mexico has it all. And the best part? Getting residency is easier than you might think. If you can prove you have a consistent income or savings, you're well on your way to calling Mexico home. So why not trade in the hustle and bustle for a slower pace of life, where the sun is always shining, the food is always delicious, and the people welcome you with open arms.
Chapter 5. Panama, your gateway to Central American comfort. Ready for a taste of paradise? Our next stop takes us to Panama, a country that's more than just a canal. It's a melting pot of cultures, a haven for nature lovers, and a surprisingly affordable place to call home. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, exploring lush rainforests teeming with wildlife, and enjoying a cup of world-class coffee while soaking up the vibrant energy of Panama City. And the best part? Panama rolls out the red carpet for Americans with its Friendly Nations visa. This visa is like a golden ticket. It's designed specifically for citizens of countries like the United States, making it easier than ever to make Panama your new home. To qualify, you can simply prove you have a steady income. Think pensions, social security, or remote work earnings. Or you can choose to form a company in Panama. And here's the kicker. Once you're approved, you're eligible for instant residency. That's right, no waiting around for months or even years. The country uses the US dollar, so you can say goodbye to confusing currency conversions. Plus, Panama boasts modern cities, pristine beaches, and lush highlands, offering a diverse range of landscapes to explore.
Chapter 6. Portugal. Your European dream awaits. Have you ever dreamed of living in Europe, strolling through charming cobblestone streets, sipping espresso in historic plazas, and savoring the laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle? Well, that dream could be closer than you think. Our next stop, Portugal. Portugal has become a magnet for expats, and it's easy to see why. With its stunning coastline, vibrant cities, rich history, and welcoming people, Portugal offers a taste of European life without the high price tag. And for Americans, Portugal offers a golden opportunity, the D7 visa. This visa is specifically designed for those who have passive income. Think pensions, rental income, or even online businesses. Portugal's healthcare system is also top-notch and much more affordable than in the United States.
Chapter 7. Ecuador, Andes Majesty, or Pacific Paradise. Our final stop takes us to South America, to a country that's as diverse as it is beautiful, Ecuador. From the majestic Andes Mountains to the lush Amazon rainforest and the pristine beaches of the Pacific coast, Ecuador is a nature lover's paradise. But Ecuador isn't just about breathtaking landscapes. It's also a country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and a surprisingly affordable cost of living. Imagine living comfortably on less than $800 a month. You could be sipping your morning coffee with a view of a volcano, strolling through colourful markets overflowing with exotic fruits and vegetables, or learning the art of salsa dancing from friendly locals. The residency requirements are straightforward, and the process is relatively simple. And with its growing expat community, you'll find plenty of support and camaraderie as you navigate your new life in Ecuador. So there you have it. 7 countries, each offering a unique blend of affordability, beauty, and ease of access for Americans. From the sun-kissed beaches of Uruguay to the charming streets of Portugal, from the majestic Andes Mountains of Ecuador to the vibrant culture of Mexico, these countries offer more than just a visa. They offer freedom. Freedom to live life on your own terms, to pursue your passions, and to create a future filled with adventure and possibility. Subscribe to the GlobeBit YouTube channel for more real-world tips on retiring abroad, saving money, and living life to the fullest. Stay tuned for our future videos packed with valuable information and inspiration.